Hey there, pioneers! In this video, I'm going to show you how to install mod loader for Subnautica 2. If you're planning to install mods in Subnautica 2, like performance mods or multiplayer mods, then the mod loader is the very first thing you'll need to install. First, head over to the Nexus mods page for Subnautica 2, and you should automatically see the mod loader on the trending page. If it doesn't show up, click this section right here and sort the mod page by downloads. Then simply click the very first result for the mod loader. I pinned the mod link in the comments section below, so make sure to check it out. Next, head over to the Files tab. If you're planning to create mods, download this version right here, but if you only want to install mods, just click Manual Download. The fast download option is for premium users, so we'll select Slow Download instead. Wait for the countdown, save the file somewhere easy to access, then wait for the download to finish. Now open Steam, right-click Subnautica 2, hover over Manage, then select Browse Local Files. This folder should appear. Open the Subnautica 2 folder, then go to Binaries, and finally Win64. Now open the zip file we downloaded earlier, then drag all of its contents into the Win64 folder. After that, if you open the folder, you should now see a mods folder. This is where you'll install all your future mods for Subnautica 2. Lastly, to check if the mod loader was installed correctly, launch the game once. If you open the Unreal Engine 4 folder afterward and see this log file appear, that means the mod loader was installed successfully. And that's how to install mod loader for Subnautica 2. Please do drop a like and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.